Back to the markets. The red ink is still there, but it's moderating a little. Dow's off 100 points. That's a 0.25%. Nasdaq down 184.82%. Ryan Payne joining me this morning. You say the market's going to the moon. Hold on a second. Hold on. Interest rates on treasuries are rising. The downside move in mortgage rates is going to come to an end if treasury yields are going up. I mean, not a little anxious about this market rally?
I think I'm more anxious of the overheating that we're seeing right now because if you put in perspective, right, if you look at treasury yields, you mentioned them, you were at 4.7% at the beginning of the year. You're only about 4.1% now, and even mortgage rates have come down from 7% at the beginning of the year to like 6.3, 6.4% now. So financial conditions have been easing. Meanwhile, I mentioned on your show a lot, but oil prices have come down like 12, 13%. That's disinflationary. And AI productivity is a real thing, and that's actually disinflationary as well. So you don't have a lot of inflationary pressure right now, Stuart. You know, you're a little nervous about it. I get it.
Well, you'll find out tomorrow. We've got the PCE thing, a vital inflation indicator.
Yes.
That had better not go wrong, because if it goes wrong, we've all got problems.
Well, I think it may uptick a little bit, but we're expecting that. So unless it's crazy out of the range of where it's expected to land, because it's really about the Fed cutting again twice this year for the end of the year. And I would probably bet, if I was a betting man, I would say that they probably are going to cut because we're not seeing really extreme inflationary pressure here. And, you know, really what the Fed's pinning in on is the labor market, saying it's slowing down, which I don't believe, by the way. I just think people are holding off on hiring until they get through tariff turmoil. They see some of their productivity gains from all the investments they're making in AI and things like that. But the employment market's going to heat up again, in my opinion. So that's a lot of optimism, I know.
That's okay. We like that on this program, as long as you get it right. He's dip buying again. Ryan, thanks for joining us. We appreciate it.
Great, Stuart. Thank you.
Always. Thank you.